Hey guys, what's up? It's India. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. My very first one. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this look. Just a disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist, nor am I trying to be. I'm just showing you guys what I do for maybe like, you know, an evening out on the town, drinks with friends, something like that. It's pretty simple. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't judge, because I don't actually know that much about makeup. I'm just showing you guys what I do. Let me know if you like it, and let me know if you would like to see more. And while we're at it, let me show you who's on my lap right now. Hi, Toby. This is my little pup, Toby. He is about 10 weeks old now. I got him when he was like 6 or 7 weeks old. He's a rescue puppy. He was actually left on the doorstep of a shelter, which is so sad. Just him and his brother in a box. So I'm so happy that I could save a life. Having a puppy is, you know, full of challenges, but also full of so much joy, and I just love him to pieces. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy the makeup tutorial.
Okay, so I'm starting fresh and clean, and then I'm going to use this amazing product by Lancome. It's called Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate, and a little goes a long way with this. So I'm just putting a few little dots on there and blending it in. It's super soft and silky smooth, and I like to think it prevents wrinkles, and I don't know, prevents you from looking old. Okay, next is this Aveeno moisturizer, real simple. I actually don't think this one has SPF in it, but I would always recommend a moisturizer with SPF. And my lips are so freaking dry, so I always make sure to moisturize with some chapstick. And yeah, get them nice and juicy. Okay, next is this Lancome custom-made foundation. They had this station actually that they set me up at, where they scanned my face and made this perfect pigment for me using, you know, yellows and reds and browns and stuff, and this is what they came up with. And so I use this anytime where I'm like properly doing my makeup. It's a full coverage foundation. So anyways, I'm going to blend this in and just, you know, rub it all over my face, cover every area. Blend, 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 blend. And this is really nice. I think it looks super natural for a full coverage foundation, which is big for me. I don't want to look, you know, too cakey. Who does? Alright, next is this bronzer by Rimmel London. It is really nice, sort of gives a tannish color, which I really like, so I still have a little tan left over from the summer. And yes, okay, I realized I used the wrong brush. That is my blush brush. So, okay, here's the right one. And I just take some of that and I dab it off because I don't want to make it look too unnatural. And I just put it under my cheekbone to sort of accentuate that. And then I also put it around my hairline and under my jaw. Now we're going to use this brush. So we're going to take this Kate Moss palette by Rimmel London, and we're going to use this really nice pinky blush color that they have on here. So I'm going to put this on my cheekbones just to give me a nice, you know, rosy look. Next is this highlighter. It is by Maybelline, and let me tell you guys, this is really, really shiny. I usually wouldn't use this, actually, but I thought I would try it out for this look. And, I mean, look at that. It's so luminous, and, yeah, maybe a little too much sometimes, but pretty fun to play around with. Alright, so I'm just going to set everything with this powder from La Mer, however you say that. Here it is. It's really nice. It's my favorite one. It's really amazing and just, I don't know, sort of gives you a nice matte finish, which I love. So I'm going to apply that everywhere that I've put any of my skin products. Alright, so next we are moving on to shadow, and I am using the Naked Urban Decay palette. Not sure which one it is, but it looks like this. There's a lot of really nice colors in there. It's pretty natural looking, which I really like. And I'm going to use this one. It is called Naked. And I'm going to just put that over my whole lid as a base. Next, I'm going to use the Buck color on this palette, and I'm going to put that in my crease. Don't really mind if it looks a little floppy, because then I'm gonna blend it all in with the other side of this brush. Yes, there it is. So I am blending this in, really trying to just make it look smoky, and I mean, as natural as a smoky brown eye can look. Okay, and finally I am going to use this Half-Baked color and just put some shimmer in there. Actually, that might have been the color Shog. Anyways, either one is fine. They're both really shimmery and nice, and I just like to throw a little bit of that on top to make it shimmery and pretty. And then again, yeah, just blend it all in. Next, I'm going to do some eyeliner, and this one is by Maybelline. Masterpiece, it's called, I think. Yeah, and it has a really nice tip. It goes on really smoothly, and this is my favorite eyeliner. Even though it's just, you know, drugstore makeup. So I'm just sweeping that along the, I don't know what it's called, edge of my eyelid, and putting a little tiny wing on the end, just because I like to elongate my eye. I think it looks good that way. And then just gotta even them out. I don't know. I'm fine with whatever. I don't care if they're exactly perfect. Okay, next is this eyeliner from Rimmel London that I'm going to use for the bottom. It's a twisty one and really nice. It also has this little blender tool on the other side. So I'm just going to put that in my waterline and lower lash line. And then blend it in and sort of smoke it out a little bit. I know some of my tips and tricks are not necessarily conventional, you know, makeup tips, but this is what I do and I really like it. So this is my favorite mascara. It is They're Real by Benefit, and this wand, I tell you, is the secret to my long lashes. I do get quite a few comments on my lashes about how long they are, and it's like, this mascara is my saving grace. Like, I have little blonde lashes, and without this amazing mascara, they would probably look pretty tiny. So mascara is like the most important thing in my beauty routine. I really like to coat that on there and make them look really long and full. I have long eyes, but they're a little squinty, I guess, so I really like putting on a lot of mascara to sort of open up my eyes a little bit. And even though I thought it was finished, I'm going to put on yet another coat. So anyways, my lips. What are we going to do for the lips? Oh yes, this Vivid Hot Lacquer by Maybelline. It's a really nice gloss. I'm usually not a gloss fan, but this one is a really nice color. Super natural, and yeah, just makes your lips look super soft and supple. I'm just gonna blot it because gloss sometimes looks a little drippy, so gotta get rid of the wetness. And then, okay, I took this other lipstick, which is, oh gosh, I think the brand is called 100% Pure. But anyways, it's a really nice color. I just put it on top because I thought I needed it a little darker. And yes, this is the finished look.
Much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought of it in the comments. Make sure to give this video a like, subscribe right here, and make sure to watch my last video. Thank you so much, you guys, for all your support, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Love you guys.